Hello friends, this is Logitech X50 and this time I am back here with the unboxing of Logitech X50 wireless speakers. If you are a lover of music, then this product is for you. You can enjoy 5 hours of continuous music once you have charged it. So here is the packed product. I have bought it recently. You can see the manufacturing date. It's written 11 August 2017. And I'm gonna cut it so I can take out my product and do the unboxing. So it's the time. Here is the product. As you can see, the Logitech X50 wireless speaker. You can see the packed product. At the corner here it is written X50 and have a look at the back. Here it is mentioned some of the details like it is wireless, rechargeable battery, and it can be connected with 3.5mm jack, and also the MFD, which is May 2017. It is available in different color combinations like purple orange, black gray, shiny yellow gray, and this one it is sky blue and dark blue combination. Inside the box there is a USB cable and there is a safety guide, and here is the speaker. If we talk about the size of the product, it is just similar to like your alarm clock, so it is easy to carry it. It is compatible with almost all Android phones. So here is the USB by which you can charge your speaker. You can see the charging end. Here it is, and I'm gonna take out the speaker. The material of the product is soft PVC. As you can see, it looks really attractive. Here at the back of the speaker it is written the product brand name Logitech, and here are the buttons given to you. Press the mid button for 3 seconds to on it. You can control the volume levels by the plus button and the minus button. As you can see, the buttons I am showing you. Here is the jack slot and the charging slot given to you so that you can charge it or you can connect it with the other devices. Here I'm gonna do the sound test of the device. So I'm gonna play the track 1 and 2. So I hope you enjoyed watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel Logitech X50, and if you have any query related to this product, you can mention it in the comment. So thanks for watching my video.